All right, Kim, what we got going on?
Okay, we've got 2 sticks of butter, half a cup of sugar. We're gonna cream this together to make us some buttery potato chip cookies.
Yum.
And then,
That looks good and cream.
yep, you're gonna add a little bit of vanilla and mix that together.
Just about half a teaspoon.
Yes. Mix that in. Okay. Then we're gonna add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. We've got 1
3/4 in there.
3/4. Okay, so we're gonna take this and blend it together. So we all mix together.
Awesome. Looks great.
Yeah, we did that because there's so much butter in the recipe. That way it all gets together.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna add a half a cup of walnuts. And crunch them up maybe just a little bit.
Love a good crunch.
And then you're going to take about a cup and a half of potato chips, and we chose the Lay's Wavy.
This is looking cool. This is looking like a savory good snack in here.
Yeah, just crush them up, and you'll just have to take your hands and mix it together. That's the best way. I mean, you could take a spoon, but...
Yummy, yum. Buttery potato chip cookies. I think this hails somewhere from the Midwest. It feels like a Midwestern thing, like maybe Idaho, where they got a bunch of potatoes.
Okay, then you can take a spoon, or you can just take and make a little ball and drop it on your cookie sheet.
Made with love.
Yes, and get your little, make sure you get a little walnut in there on each of the little cookies. Okay. We're going to bake these at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, let's go to the oven here.
So 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes, people. All right.
Let's see what they look like.
Ooh.
Oh, they are a little brown on the bottom. They're a little perfect golden.
Yum. Wow. Let them cool for a second, come back. All right, let's give it a little taste.
Okay, here we go. Looks good. It's good.